Good morning, children. Children, already we are going through the chapter My Dog Ate My Homework. It is very interesting poem that every one of you liked it, most probably, right? So let us start with the exercise. Already we have completed the poem. The gist of the poem was that the speaker of the poem, the boy, he did not like to do his homework. The next day, his teacher gave him homework. The next day when he went to the class, he wanted to give some excuse and he gave an excuse that, "Ma'am, I did my homework, but my dog ate my homework." So this was unfortunate that the the speaker of the poem did not find any excuse other than this. So his teacher could not trace out, because yes, dogs are in the habit of eating all the things, whatever you give, they will chew up, or they will just take it into pieces, or they will destroy the things. So the teacher was also not able to trace out that yes, that my student has done homework or not. So this is very uncommon excuse he gave. But children, you please do not try to give this type of excuse that my dog ate my homework. So let's get started with the exercise. What is given in the exercise? Question 1 we will start with. Question 1, comprehension part A1. There are true or false, and I will write here only the answer. Question I will read for you, and here I will write the answer. So let's get started. Number 1 is, the speaker ate dog's homework. Is it true or false? It is false. Speaker ate dog's homework. Dog had to do homework, or speaker had to do? Speaker had to do homework. So here this answer is number 1 is totally false. For you, a small box is given. You can write F for that. This much small box is given. You can write F. Okay. So next, the dog swallowed the speaker's homework whole. Yes, the dog swallowed the speaker's homework whole. Answer is true. Number 3, the dog tore the speaker's homework in small pieces. No. In second line only we have learned the dog swallowed it. He did not tear into pieces. So answer is false. Next, number 4. The dog found the speaker's homework very tasty. Was it tasty? No. Actually, now this poem goes on what the speaker says, so we are assuming it. But whether it is true or false in the poem, whether it really happened or not, that also we don't know. So whatever is given in the poem, the way we are writing the answer. Okay. The dog found the speaker's homework very tasty. Again it is false. Nothing is mentioned whether it is tasty or not. Number 5. The dog mixed speaker's homework with his food. Yes, he kept the the dog mixed the speaker's homework with his food. This is wrong. Dog did not mix. Speaker mixed his homework with dog food. So this is false. Again I will repeat the question. The dog mixed the speaker's homework with his food. Can dog mix? No. Here the speaker mixed. Sentence is given in the poem that, my dog ate my homework. He swallowed it whole. I shouldn't have mixed it with the food of his bowl. Now this speaker had done. But in the question it is asking, the dog mixed the speaker's homework. So it should be wrong or incorrect sentence. Now we shall shift to page number 87. Some fill in the blanks are given and some words are written, vocabularies are written on the top of this fill in the blanks. We will continue this. If there are 2 blanks in one line, I will write separately in one line only. Okay. So here it is B1. In the game of musical chairs, players go round and number of chairs as music plays. So here it should be music. First there should be sit down in a chair. The player who is left without a chair goes out of the game. Next, dash should be chair. Then one chair is removed and the whole cycle is repeated till there is only one player left. That player is the winner. Now last it should be winner. Here we are given in B2, dogs do not eat paper. Why do they eat? What do they eat? Can you tell what these animals eat? Yes, dogs do not eat paper, but they will chew it or they will make it into pieces. They will not eat it up or swallow it up, right? So here whatever this speaker was telling in the poem was all nonsense, all incorrect sentence, right? He wanted to give some excuse to the teacher and thus he told my dog ate my homework. So here we are given cat, picture of a cat, cat eat fish. B is correct answer here. B2, B is correct answer. For number 1, B is correct. For number 2, picture of a rabbit is given and rabbit will eat carrot, bread, carrot and sunlight. Rabbit will like to eat carrot. So answer B. Again B is correct answer. Number 3 is picture of a giraffe, plant, air and worms. Giraffe will like to eat plant. It is herbivorous animal, so it will like to eat plant. A is correct answer. And here number 4, we are given here picture of a goat. Goat likes to eat leaves, meat or water. It will like to eat leaves. So A is correct. And number 5, we are given a eagle. Yes, eagle. So what eagle would like to eat? A rat, a fruit or air. It will like to eat a rat. So number 5 is A. Children, you can turn your page 88. In 88 we are given describing words. As I said, the word that describes noun are called describing words. And here we are given few words. Answers are already given at the top of your best filling the blanks, but we need to search out the correct answer for the sentence it suits. So we will start with this. Yeah. So here we will do C2. Number 1. The lion had a dash mane around his head. Mane means बाल, जो लायन के सिर के आसपास जो लंबे लंबे बाल होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं mane. So the lion has golden mane. Number 1 is golden. Number 2. The dash and dash cloud floated with the dash sky. So answer will be the blue and white cloud floated with the fluffy sky. So there are 3 dash. I will write here with gap, blue, white and fluffy. Yes, answer should be fluffy. F-L-U-F-F-Y, fluffy. Next, number 3. In spring, the grass was dashed and the flowers looked dashed. In spring, the grass was green and the flowers looked pretty. So, we'll write your green. Next, the dash woman was very dash, so she sat down on the dash bench. The old woman was very tired, so she sat down on the wooden bench. So here we have again 3 words to write. Old woman was very tired, so she sat down on the wooden bench. Next, number 5. Last night a dash tree was hit by a flash of lightning. A tall tree. The tiger had dash teeth and a dash roar. The tiger had sharp teeth and a loud roar. Children, we have here filling the blank. Match the following below that. Match the pictures with its name. So this match the following you will do on your own. That is D1 will be done by yourself. It is very easy. You will just see the picture and you will match it. You will write number. You will not draw lines. Okay. We shall shift to page number 90. Some filling the blanks are given. We will continue that. Page 90 D2. The boys' clothes were full of dash after they had played in the park. Answer should be dirt. Number 1. The boys' clothes were full of dirt after they had played in the park. Next, Dash the crow collected some wings, then she began to build her nest. First, the crow collected some wings and then she began to build her nest. First. Third, some sparrows come to my window sill every morning and chirp loudly. Number 4. My dash is on October. I will be 7 years old. My birthday is in October. Number 5. During the Holi festival, people poured water on each other. So children, here we have completed the exercise part, that is your practice part followed by your lesson. This we have completed here. What is your duty now? Your duty is to see this video and complete your exercise part in your textbooks, and so that you are able to learn it properly. So children, do it. Thank you.